Developing now at 5:30, local organizations responding after Governor DeSantis signed a new law banning abortion after 15 weeks.
He signed the new legislation at a church in Kissimmee, calling it the most significant protection for life that has been enacted in our state in a generation.
This is a time where these babies have beating hearts. They can move, they can taste, they can see, they can feel pain, they can suck their thumbs, and they have brain waves.
While conservatives are applauding the move, others are not happy with the governor's decision. News 6's Carolina Cardona spoke with leaders with Planned Parenthood about the new law.
Organizations in favor of abortion rights are speaking out after Governor Ron DeSantis signed the controversial legislation into law. Currently, under Florida law, abortions are allowed up to 24 weeks, but as of July 1st, it will be 15 weeks.
They're getting all of their state laws set up so that if the court does rule that Roe v. Wade is no longer constitutional, these laws will go immediately into effect and basically unchallenged.
When we need that essential care, when we make that decision, that right is just one court decision away from being wiped off the map.
Conservatives nationwide have moved to place new restrictions on abortion after the U.S. Supreme Court signaled it would uphold a Mississippi law banning abortions after 15 weeks, a decision that could potentially overturn the Roe v. Wade 1973 decision that established a nationwide right to abortion.
This ban goes way beyond abortion. It's really about who has power over you and me and who has the authority to make decisions about our health care.
A 15-week ban on abortion, this kind of extreme law is unconstitutional under both the U.S. Constitution and Florida's state constitution, which includes specific protections for Floridians' most personal decisions, including the decision to end a pregnancy.
The new law has some exceptions. The abortion can be performed to save a mother's life, to prevent serious injury, or if the fetus has a fatal abnormality, but not in the case of victims of rape, incest, or human trafficking.
There is no protection for people who are raped, people who are victims of incest, and people who are human trafficked. Can you imagine being the victim of human trafficking and being forced to give birth? How is that a Christian value?
The ACLU attorney for the Reproductive Freedom Project says they plan on challenging this new law in court. In Orlando, I'm Carolina Cardona, getting results, News 6.
Learn more about the ban and how local leaders are responding at clickorlando.com.